Crazy Mike, CrazyMikesApps.com with a great iPhone video app review for Modern Combat Sandstorm by Gameloft. $4.99. It's a premium game. I call them a premium game because it's a very well-made game, and it's like playing a video game, whatever, Nintendo DS computer on your iPhone. Very, very swift. One of several. This is old. It's been out for a while, but it's still a great game.
Intel believes a new terrorist cell is setting up shop.
So as soon as she's done rambling, I'll go ahead and start killing.
Rendezvous with your squad, find the courtyard, and destroy the
Got your glow stick here, shoot here, got your grenades there, and that's what I got. So I'm following the green arrow up there, and I'm just going to go for it. You move yourself side to side like that, so there's a little bit of a learning curve.
This is already going to hell. Go on ahead, Chief. We'll be right behind you.
Sneak attack. You can also blow the barrels up there, just to let you know for future. It's very good game. A little weak on my part there. Want to come around the corners a little bit wide, so you don't get all whacked out. A little bit of the element of surprise there to take care. Use cover as best you can. Can hone in. Home back out. I think I took care of him. There's a box in there with a shotgun, but where's that guy at? Oh, I didn't see him. Hit him with the barrel. That worked out well. That guy, kind of got me there. Didn't see him. He wasn't there last time, so that's good. That means that there's a smart game engine in here, so it makes the game a little bit more exciting. Can't run. Come on. Man.
Chief, you have to destroy that tower. Our satellites are picking up heavy enemy movements in the area.
If I don't get rid of that guy up there, I'm never going to make it. Like that. Okay, so I didn't make it. Bummer. I got a little weak there. I like it. They keep you at the save point. Won't make this too much longer, but you can see they keep you at a save point and they let you come back without having.
You have to destroy that tower. Our satellites are picking up heavy enemy movements in the area.
Looks like he picked up the shotgun. Oh, I died quick. I'm an idiot. I was looking over at the bad guys. See, it's a smart game. Let's just one more time, and we'll see what we can do here. Yeah, whatever. Bring it. Okay, there's also hand grenades that I have.
Destroy that tower. Our satellites are picking up heavy enemy movements in the area.
Okay, hide over here while you're getting your butt whipped like I am. Okay. That guy got me last time. Alright, I'm still hanging. Somehow. Took care of him. Get the tower, man. Come on. Here we go. Sweet! Okay, so we ended here. Modern Combat Sandstorm.
Proceed to the next tower.
Modern Combat Sandstorm. $4.99 by Gameloft. Great game. Great game. Till next time, Crazy Mike. See ya.